Hey everybody, hi, Tolik here. I want to say everybody of you thanks that you click on that video to see what I have to say about my course, my second course here, and it's something unique that me and my partner think to do to help people start their app business reskinning. That course is for people who want to start make apps, and for people who make apps and want to improve their knowledge and have somebody who will help them to make better money, make more apps, make the system more flow. So first of all, I'm Tolik, it is Yaniv, my partner, he's a technical guy. If you have technical questions also you can ask, we can answer you. That course, like you saw, it's only $10. We don't give any coupons, you don't have any nothing. It will be like a course where we answer for questions. I put in the beginning questions that people ask, and every week people will ask us more questions to our mail that I put in the course, and we answer. You can ask what you want. Every week or two we answer the questions that we grab in the mail, and like that everybody can learn from everybody. So I will not going to make any discount coupons because only $10, so don't wait for discount. If you're serious, take that course. It's only $10, like I say. It's only down payment to be for serious guys or girls. And in the beginning we'll learn the basic, what you need to do to start make apps. Who already make apps, I don't know if it's too much help, but the videos will come after it will be much help also for experienced people that make apps, I'm sure, and how build the system in the right way. You will see. I can promise you that the $10 you pay now will be thousands of dollars. I can promise you. If I wrong, you can always make a refund, not always, but again, only $10, it's only down payment. The course need to be free in the general, but it's something we decide to do. That's it. So I wait for you, and I hope already in something like 1 week or two I start to make new lectures. Thanks, bye bye.